Congratulations, you've made it to lesson number 7. You're now ready to see how we go about making changes to data. In SQL, to make changes to data, we use the update statement. And this happens all the time. We have customers call us, they change their name, they change their address, they change their email, and we need to sometimes make those changes in our database. To do that, we use the update statement. And an update statement works like this. We're going to work with customer ID 1, Mary Smith. She's going to become Mary Brown. So we're going to update the table customer. We're going to set the field last name equal to Brown. Data type inside of our quotation mark. And remember that where clause that we learned in the delete statement of how critically important it is? A lot of times the same thing, I take my selects and I turn them to updates. So make sure we take this where clause, okay, and we run it with the where clause. Do not accidentally forget to highlight that. If you did and you ran just this, all customers become Brown. That would be a problem, okay? So be very careful with that. And sometimes because of that, you might want to consider using transactions when you use updates. The same with deletes, just to confirm the values before you commit a transaction. We're not going to cover transactions in this lesson, but just remember that for the future, or put that down as a note to Google. How do I do a transaction? But if we run this update and hit execute, you're going to see one row changed, no warnings, and it matched one condition. So if we run our query again, we see that it's now Mary Brown. Oh, Mary also changed her email to marybrown@sequilacustomer.org. So we should fix that too. We could have done it all at once. And so if you have multiple fields changing, just separate them with a comma and put the next field and put its value. So we'll do Mary Brown here too. Okay, so you can change more than one field at a time. All right. I didn't change last update, but because of the way the database is set, you'll notice it did the automatic change for me. So I don't have to worry about the last update field, which is kind of cool. Let's also say she's no longer active. She's like, update my information, but I don't want to be active anymore anyway, because you've upset me as a customer. So we'll put active in there too. So we can change multiple fields, all with one. And we got that where clause is good. And execute it. All looks good. Verify it. All is good. Okay, she's Mary Brown now for email and for her last name. If she becomes active again, we can go ahead and contact her properly at her email. That's the update statement. I hope you found that helpful and useful. Look forward to seeing you in lesson number 8 coming up soon. Thanks. Comments down below, and please subscribe if you have not already.